The Russian Ministry of Defense has announced that military units in the Central Military District have received a new batch of Tor M2 surface-to-air missile systems. These advanced systems are expected to significantly enhance the combat effectiveness of motorized rifle units, especially in carrying out operational tasks within the ongoing Special Military Operation Zone. The ministry's statement highlighted the key role the Tor M2 systems play in improving air defense capabilities and the ability to counter a range of aerial threats, which is crucial in the current operational environment. The exact date of delivery was not specified, though sources suggest that the systems may have been delivered on the final day of 2024, marking a timely upgrade as the military seeks to reinforce its operational readiness. This move reflects continued efforts by the Russian armed forces to modernize their equipment and bolster the capabilities of units deployed in the conflict zones. The Tor M2 is seen as a critical asset for both offensive and defensive operations, offering enhanced protection for ground forces. The Tor M2 is a highly capable, mobile, short-range, surface-to-air missile (SAM) system developed by Russia for defense against a wide variety of aerial threats. Its primary purpose is to engage low to medium-altitude targets such as aircraft, helicopters, drones, and precision-guided munitions. The system is designed to provide close-range protection for vital military assets, including ground forces, air defense units, and command centers, particularly in high-threat environments. The Tor M2 is an advanced iteration of the Tor SA-15 family of systems and was specifically developed to enhance its target acquisition, tracking, and engagement capabilities. The system is fully mobile, mounted on a wheeled chassis, and can rapidly deploy and reposition in response to changing operational demands. This mobility is crucial, as it allows the Tor M2 to operate in highly dynamic combat situations, particularly in environments with an evolving air threat. The Tor M2 variant features improved radar and enhanced missile guidance, allowing it to engage multiple targets simultaneously. It is equipped with a phased array radar system that can track and identify numerous airborne targets within a radius of approximately 25 kilometers. The radar is capable of detecting low-flying targets at ranges of up to 20 kilometers and can track and engage targets at altitudes ranging from 10 meters to 10 kilometers. This allows the Tor M2 to effectively defend against a range of threats, from low-flying cruise missiles and drones to conventional aircraft. Additionally, the radar's ability to track multiple targets at once significantly increases the system's survivability and effectiveness in complex combat environments. The Tor M2 system fires 9 M331 missiles, a highly effective munition designed for high precision and rapid engagement. The 9 M331 is a solid propellant, radar-guided missile, optimized for intercepting a wide array of aerial targets. The missile has an operational range of around 12 kilometers, with a high probability of intercepting against targets traveling at speeds up to Mach 2. The missile's warhead is designed to ensure the destruction of a variety of targets, including combat aircraft, helicopters, and UAVs. This makes the Tor M2 an essential asset for forces requiring protection against increasingly sophisticated aerial threats. The Tor M2 is also notable for its ability to engage targets while on the move, maintaining a high degree of flexibility in dynamic operational situations. The system can operate autonomously, using its own radar for target detection and engagement, or it can be integrated into a broader air defense network as part of a layered defense strategy. This makes the Tor M2 particularly effective in supporting more advanced, long-range air defense systems by filling the gaps in coverage left by larger systems like the S-400 and Buk missile systems. The Tor M2's operational role within the Russian military, particularly in the context of the ongoing war in Ukraine, is significant. Since the beginning of the conflict, the Russian armed forces have deployed a substantial number of Tor M2 systems to protect key assets, including supply lines, forward operating bases, and mechanized infantry units. The system's high mobility and rapid deployment capabilities make it well suited for protecting Russian forces from Ukrainian airstrikes and the increasing use of drones and UAVs, which have become a prominent feature of the conflict. In Ukraine, the Tor M2 has been used as part of a layered defense network, designed to provide close-range protection for Russian units operating in high-intensity combat zones. It is particularly effective against the growing threat posed by Ukrainian drones, which are increasingly employed for reconnaissance, precision strikes, and targeted attacks on Russian command centers and infrastructure. The Tor M2's ability to detect and engage low-flying UAVs with high accuracy makes it an essential tool for countering this new form of aerial threat. Moreover, the Tor M2's rapid reaction capabilities make it well suited for countering fast-moving threats such as precision-guided missiles and short-range ballistic missiles. As these types of threats continue to evolve, the Tor M2 serves as a key part of the Russian military's defensive posture, working in conjunction with other air defense systems to create a layered and integrated defense that aims to neutralize a wide range of aerial threats before they can reach critical targets. However, the effectiveness of the Tor M2 in Ukraine has not been without challenges. Ukrainian forces have utilized a combination of advanced air-to-ground missile systems, electronic warfare, and drones to attempt to overwhelm Russian air defense systems, including the Tor M2. Despite these challenges, the system has proven to be resilient, with reports indicating that it has successfully intercepted a significant number of incoming threats during combat operations. The Tor M2, with its advanced radar, precision-guided missiles, and high mobility, has solidified its role as a key asset in Russia's air defense strategy, particularly in the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. Its ability to adapt to changing battlefield conditions and its effectiveness against a wide variety of threats have made it an invaluable component of Russia's efforts to maintain control over contested territories and protect critical military infrastructure. As the war continues to evolve, the Tor M2's role in defending Russian forces against increasingly sophisticated aerial threats is likely to remain central to the country's defensive strategy.